So we've been here well over 2 weeks now. As predicted, I really haven't found much time to work on this thing. Typically I only can work on it in the evenings, and that doesn't work here because my wife and kids are asleep up there, my neighbour's house is right here. So, yes, I'll hopefully be able to do some stuff with this today. In typical fashion, it's been blazing sunshine and 28 degrees every day since the day I moved this here. But today, weathermen are using words like monsoon and torrential. But hopefully we get some stuff done. Something I have noticed being out here, it's only been here for what, 2.5 weeks? It's been undercover most of that time, and it's been blazing sunshine. And yet still a lot of the exposed metal starting to show little bits of corrosion here and there. Just little tiny surface stuff, but it's the beginning of things, so gone are the days of being stored in a nice dry, dusty indoor environment. So I'm having to go around and literally cover up every little bit of metal I want to keep. These big rusty bits I don't really care about, that's what getting cut out, but I'm having to cover up everything else, including our donor panels. So what we're going to do today, play with my new toy. That is a complete sill for the right hand side. It really wasn't that expensive in the scheme of things, and the amount of time I was going to spend dicking about trying to salvage bits off my donor panel over there, which I had to cut up to move to this place. There was too much to do. There's too many areas on here that I need to replace, so that I can see daylight right through here, which means it's gone on both sides. Yep. So it just made sense getting a whole new panel for that. So we'll have a play with this today for as long as the weather will let us. Got it offered up and marked up. Just marking out the extent of this on here so I know not to take anything back further than that on my one. You can see here some of the downsides of using aftermarket pressings rather than official parts. I mean, these are cheap, but the payoff is you can see around here all the creases and things from where it is cheaply pressed. Also, the gauge of the metal feels a lot thinner than what you get from the factory, and all the detail isn't quite as crisp. You've got these nice little cut lines on here, and it's all just a bit softer on this. But without a doubt, this panel will be handy. I'm going to start by just cutting these little bits out here and there. It's a filler. I think this is the original sill. It's been overlapped here, and this is all plating in here. Damn, looks nice on this side, not so good here. So this is going to have to come out, definitely. But not all doom and gloom. That's not too bad. And it's raining. Well, this sucks. No work today then.